Feel the ultimate driving experience today with the new 2023 Toyota Crown available at Conicelli Toyota of Conshohocken, PA. With a boldly designed body and elevated ride height and dynamic features, this premium sedan defies convention, equipped with a powerful all-new hybrid max powertrain, generating 340 combined horsepower with an EPA estimated up to 41 miles per gallon. The Toyota Crown is a perfect fusion of style and performance, plus the standard all-wheel drive system and available adaptive variable suspension ensures maximum handling and control on any road. Inside, you'll discover luxury innovation with an elevated cabin, memory seats, and a fixed panoramic sunroof that floods the cabin with natural lights. Stay connected and entertained on the go with Toyota's 12.3-inch Toyota Audio multimedia screen, Advanced Park and Remote Connect. The new 2023 Toyota Crown also comes with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, the latest and most advanced suite of safety features offered by Toyota, giving you the peace of mind every time you hit the road. Plus, every new Toyota Crown comes with ToyotaCare, a maintenance plan that covers normal factory scheduled service for 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first, and 24-hour roadside assistance for 2 years and unlimited mileage. Drive into the future today with the new 2023 Toyota Crown at Conicelli Toyota of Conshohocken, PA, conveniently located on Ridge Pike. Take the wheel and feel the ultimate driving experience at Conicelli, a nice place to do business.